Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you a Banana Republic factory haul. Things I've purchased within the last month from around June 20th to the end of June. I moved, so I'm just now sort of able to film in a nicer space. So let's get started. I purchased this white skirt. It has pockets, and hopefully a lot of these items are still in stock. This skirt came in black and red, and maybe a pattern, but it is about midi length, 2 pockets, drawstring waist. This is a size medium. I found that the small just fit. This way you can cinch in the waist with this cord. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it does come with like a little bandeau top that you can purchase separately. And this one retails for $140. Also, disclaimer, they were having a 50% off. And I guess if you signed up online, you got an extra 10 or 15% off. So yeah, and so next item, and because I bought so many of the same items, I'm debating whether to keep everything. So I got these green stripe boxer shorts. I noticed that, and it has you know, an elastic waistband, drawstring, tie, and 2 pockets. I did notice that the fit on each of these shorts, this is a medium, was slightly off. So some were a little tighter. You may have to try on a couple pairs to get your perfect fit, but this is a medium. Large is too large, and this one retails for $65, and it has 2 pockets in the back. And I did purchase this item in this brown color, which I've already worn. So that's the brown stripe. Really nice neutral. Also, this stripe comes in a 3/4 pant with elastic waist. And then I got just the basic black, because you can never go wrong with just having black. And these 2 I've already worn. So yeah, so that's those shorts. And then I picked up some of these casual tops. So doesn't want to stay on the hanger. I'll just show you. So spaghetti straps, really nice colors. And this one, this pattern, they made a dress out of also. And this item was $75. Adjustable straps. I'm gonna come back to some of these other items here. And then I did get these tops. I'm not sure how to say it, but they're just some little strap tops. They did have a matching skirt, which my waist, it doesn't, like I didn't fit in either like the 12 or the 14. That would be my size. It would just be too wide, and then you'd have to alter it. So I just bought it to go with some of these shorts, or it could go with the skirt. So yeah, so there's this denim one. There is a green stripe to match this shorts. I debated back and forth whether to get it, but I never got it. So I haven't worn these items yet. So this one is the denim, and this one is linen. And like I said, there's some matching skirts, and the prices are around $80. Size medium. Strap is adjustable. It has like these buttonholes, so you can make it shorter or longer. And then moving on to this t-shirt. This is a linen blend V-neck. This also comes in a crew neck, but just for a pop of color. when you don't want to wear something strappy. And this t-shirt was $50, size small. This is somewhat oversized, I would say, right? Which is nice because you, in the summer heat, you don't want anything sort of clinging to you. Next, I purchased this tank top, and I bought this also in black. It must be in the laundry, but it's just your basic tank, adjustable strap in the back. And this one is a large and $25. It's a bit more fitted, and it does kind of droop down in the front, which I like. What else did I want to say about this? Oh, this is double lined. This is a thick shirt, but it's all cotton. I would say everything I purchase is cotton or a cotton blend with some linen. If you're wanting more natural fibers, Banana Republic factory is a great place to grab some of these items. And then I got this other tank top in this off-white color. I'll just show you that. And this was to be paired up with these shorts. When I purchased it, I bought the two together. And this one is $40 retail. Just a side note, I've bought several of these. Even last year I have one. Just a little baby tee. I got medium if you want it more fitted, or get large if you want it looser, but it looks better fitted. And then lastly, I did get these white denim shorts to go with the white shirt as a set. And elasticized waist for comfort. And this is a size medium and retails for $75. So these are most of the items that I purchased for the summer. And again, I would put, one second, this is stuck. I would put this white tank top. Let me just turn this around. I would put this white tank top with these white shorts. And I got the black, and I would just do it like with the black shorts. I got some lint on it, but those I'm gonna wash anyhow. But yeah, I would just put a black same tank top with that, and you have like some good basic outfits. Everything here, I would say you could get multiple outfits from, mix and match, or you could just you could purchase the matching top for this one, matching top for this one, and the matching bottoms for these, and the rest is just separates that I purchased. They did have a sale or a promotion on the shorts. Again, 50 off, 50 or 60 off, and then an additional 10 with their promotion. So yeah, this is everything for summer, and summer just started as it is the beginning of July. Well, yeah, summer's so short here, so I really don't even know what more to say about it, but this is more or less a capsule wardrobe. Everything mixes and matches. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.